And kicks out. Number 7, floater. Oh, Exoy Circus. Ramos to the hoop, slays. Ramos, bucket for 2. 17-24 score natin. And here's number 8. Kicks out for 3. Pass to the corner. Spins to the middle. Floater shot. Bucket for 2. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Ilocos Norte Intertown Da Vinci Cup Season 2 para sa laban ng Marcos at San Nicolas. And here you go, jump ball. And goes to Team Marcos. First ball po sa Kumaldag. Floater. Nakuha ni Jumbo Hotdog. To the corner for 3. Bam! 3 points. And there's number 30. Straight to the hoops of the glass. Bucket for at the middle. And a drives. The bounce pass. No look pass. And the middle. Tabuyo. Stop, launch on 3. Too strong. Pass break ngayon. And is open. Ooh, the Eurostep pass. Nagkatis with fire off the glass. Bucket for 2. 7-4. 3-point lead. San Nicolas. And hoop. And kicks to. And a drive. Slays left-handed. Bucket for 2. Team Marcos is at the middle. Number 6, Tabuyo. Stops. Pass back, Tabuyo. Oops. Laki sa lagi. Tinabitin off the glass. Ramos. 3-point lead for Team San Nicolas. 9-6 score. Umatake, binitbit. Team Nicolas at third. Long 2. Oh, in and out. Baseball pass. Number 6. Tabuyo. Natapikan. And a pass break. And here's a big malis. Oh! And the pass on the inside. Pass off the glass. Yes, sir. And here you go. Number 8. No look pass on the inside of the window. Bucket for. And kicks out. Number 7. Floater. Oh, Exoy Circus. And there's Tabuyo. And it's 14. Kicks out. Tabuyo, crossover. Floater shot, no good. Rio sa ulo. Tabuyo, floater. Bucket for 2. Tabuyo crosses the mid lane, sharing the play. Pass to the corner. Stops, pass back. And here's number 6 for 3. Wala, battle for the rebound. Goes to. Oop, nag-dive. Bounce pass. Sakto, eksakto. And here's the mid bounce pass. Straight 3, short. Lays up pass. And for the backdoor inbound, ang pader. Bounce pass sa pader. Reverse layup. Oh, basket and 1! And crossover, Tabuyo. Between the legs. Oop, stolen. And here you go, Bayuga. Yes, sir. And it's number 2. Pass to the middle. Lays. Bucket for 2. And setting the play. And pass to the corner. Nakuha na yun. And the pass break. Lays. Bucket. And here's Tabuyo. Pass on the inside. Bars. No good. And the rebound, number 30, Ramos. Off the glass, Ramos. And setting the play to the corner. Picks. Kicks out. And pass to the middle for 3. Bam! 3 points. Oop. And picks. Oy! 17-24 score natin. And here's number 8. Kicks out for 3. Bam! Ngayon nabas off the window. Back and setting the play. And drives. Floater. Supalpal sa likod. Tabuyo to the corner. Drives. Bars. No good. And loses the ball. Tabuyo lays pass and lay up off the upboard pa. And between the legs. Oops. Over. Nabitawan ng bola. And it's pull up the bucket. with the ball. Tabuyo. Tabuyo drives. And floater of the window. Won't go. Rebound. Put back of the window. Back. And 38 seconds on the first quarter. Sa tres. Bang! Trip. And there's Ramos. Ramos all the way. Floater. In and out. Rebound. Reverse layup. Wala pa rin. And tinatake. Oops, nagaw. Pass break. And all alone. Inlays basket and one pass. Pass to Ramos for 3. Short. Binato. Bang! At the buzzer! Grabe yun! Oh! 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 To the corner. And a pass back. Holds the ball. Corner wide open for 3. Short. Rebound. And to the middle. Pull up J. Bucket for 2. And natapikan. Naagaw na naman. And easy bucket. And he crosses the mid lane. To the corner. And to its Oops. Natapikan na naman. Oops. Stolen away. And alley-oop pass. And a bucket. And here's Team San Nicolas. 15. Passing the corner. Sa tres. Bang! 3. 15 Agustin. 21 Agustin. And then number 30. Kicks out. Far sa 3. Bang! Again! Stops. Number 18. Pull up J. Off the mark. Rebound. Pretty space. Bucket for 2. And here you go, Team San Nicolas. And bounce pass to the middle. Fading away. Oops, the lucky bounce. Saklayan. Natangpan. Oops, stolen away. And goes to the rim. Bucket, easy 2. And San Nicolas biglang tumira ng tres. Bang! Again! And it's number 20, Saklayan. Floater of the window. Bucket for 2. And crosses the mid lane. Stop for 3. Bang! Saklayan. Here's Saklayan. Saklayan the crossover. Stop. Pull up jet 3. Bang! 31. And Saklayan long pass. Oops. Recover. And pass to the corner. Spins to the middle. Floater shot. Bucket for 2. And here's Team San Nicolas. Number 21 to the middle. 2 inside, floater. Oh, no good. Put back shot. And a bucket for Saklayan. Saklayan bumalik. Ramos. Ramos to the hoop. Slays. Ramos. Bucket for 2. And Agustin. Real step. Supalpal. And pass on the inside of the glass. Back. And here's Team San Nicolas. Crosses the mid lane, setting the play at the mid of the court. He stops to the corner. 10 seconds to shoot. To the corner. Wide open for 3. Off the mark. Saklayan. Bumangga. Tumira off the window. Bucket for 2. Team Marco. Saklayan. Pass on the middle. So Palpal ang inabot. Spin move to the middle. Libreng-libre. Won't go. Fight for the rebound. Here we go. Team San Nicolas. 27. And a drives. Number 30. Bumangga. And here's Team San Nicolas. Tuloy-tuloy. To the hoops. Bucket. And here you go, drives, bounce pass, kicks out, side step, fires, off the mark, rebound, put back, bucket for 2. And 30 seconds on the game clock. 27. To the corner, fakes, attacks, Kumaldag, kicks out. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Stepping back for 3. Bang! 15 seconds. Sa 3. Bang! Saklayan. 5 seconds. And there you go, number 6 na naman all the way. Number 5 holds dribbling the ball. Pass to number 20. Pass to the middle. Bounce and fire. Wala. Rebound. Kicks, fakes, fire. Wala. Put back shot. Wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin. Rest place. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Fading away. Wala pa rin. To the middle. Fakes. And Verdadero. To the corner. Sa tres. Won't go. And there's Saklayan. Spins.
Number 20, pinasakay number 5.
To Saklayan. Saklayan. Pass to the corner. Open for 3. Bang! 3. The backdoor inbound. To the corner. Wide open for 3. Bang! 3 po. And it's San Nicolas. Uy! Uy! Spectacular pass! Ang gandang pass! Anun? Sabi yun. And Saklayan. Pass on the inside. Reverse layup. Bucket for 2. And here you go. Straight to the hoops. Bumangga si Nagasaan. Away. And goes. Kicks out. Wild open for 3. Bang! 3 po. And Buyo. Number 5. So pal-pal. And his no-look pass. Oh, follow up pa lang gusto niya. Tabuyo. Tabuyo spins. Pass to the middle. Floater. Easy bucket. And setting the play. For Team San Nicolas. Bounce pass to the corner. Pass on the inside. Oops. Block. Behind the back. Number 30. Oh! Grabbing sidestep. And Bayudan. Verdadero. Pinatid! Tatlo yung gumardya! And number 6. Bumangga. Off the glass. Kicks out. And also ball to the corner for 3. Bang! 3 points. And here's ball possession for Marcos. Tabuyo. Lace. Tabuyo. Bucket. Tabuyo. Tabuyo between the legs. Minnesota Lace. Bucket for 2 again. And to the corner. Cross pass. Corner for 3. Bang! 3 po. Backdoor inbound for Team Marcos. Saklayan with the ball. He's stolen. And a bounce pass. All the way to the hoop. CC Saklayan. Ubas Tabuyo. Queen hoops. Stolen again. And again. Pass break. Fakes. Plays. Bucket for 2. Back to back to. Saklayan. Spins to the middle. Number 18 with the ball. Saklayan. And number Tabuyo. Crossover. Pass inside. Number 13 fires. And again. Tabuyo. Bounce pass. Lace. Short. And a pass break. To the middle. Pull up J. Bucket for 2. And pass at 3. Bang! 3 points. And here's si Marcos sa 3. Short. Pinasa. Easy bucket. And here's Tabuyo. Tabuyo pass on the inside. Fire. Bucket for 2. Sa gitna. Number 8. Bounce pass. Behind the back pass. Umatake Lace. Bucket for 2. Tabuyo. Tabuyo. Sumegway. Offensive foul. De La Cruz. Bounce pass. Naagawan. Bounce pass. And Ramos. Binit-bit. Easy bucket. Setting the play. Shot clock down to 12. Sa 3. Bang! And dribbling the ball. Oops. Bounce pass. And to the corner. 10 seconds shoot. Wild open for 3. Short. Rebound. Put back. Bucket and 1. And last 5 minutes on the game clock. And attacks. Pass on the inside. Fires off the glass.
Pinasa kay
Bayudan.
number 6.
Number 6 holds the ball. Pass to the corner. Fires off the glass. Bucket for
Ulit. Pinasa kay number 8. 15.
alley pass. To bucket for 2. The corner. Stepping back. Fakes. Tags for 3.
Short.
And sige 6. Pass. Oh! Sinagasa. Setting the play.
Pinasa kay number 11.
11.
Libre.
Paul Abjay. Bucket for 2.
Crossover.
Pass on the inside.
13. Pinili.
Fires.
Short again. Number 32. Pass. Break to number 21. Stop
Sa
and pass.
3. Bang! And drive sa client.
Pasa kay number 6. Tabuyo.
Tabuyo behind the hook pass.
Nice pass to number 13.
Oh, basket and 1.
Number 32. 32.
Off the glass, easy bucket.
Last 30 seconds.
Congratulations, San Nicolas. Oops. Oh.